Settings for the Dieline are an object with a stroke that uses a spot color that you can create yourself called Dieline, set to spot color. It also needs to be set to overprint in the Attributes panel. It should be on its own layer called Dieline, and to double check the size, you can use the Info panel to check the width and height, or use the information above. Be sure to include bleeds in your art at 1/16 an inch or 0.0625, as well as an inset area of 1/16 of an inch for 0.0625 that all critical artwork or graphic elements should sit inside of. This ensures that nothing will get cut off. For label sets or front and back options, place your art on a provided Dieline or ask if we can place the art for you.